Beautiful! Woo! Woo! Yeah! Look at the beautiful sky. It's the late night drive sky. Santa Barbara! Good morning! Look, it's so beautiful outside. Santa Barbara. Look at beautiful.
One day you're gonna see my books from a night I got a little too drunk.
Look at the beautiful sunset and then the water. Oh my gosh, it's not even frozen. Whee! Look at that water. It's November, it's not frozen, but it's so pretty. Look at the moon. Ah, so pretty. Oh my gosh, there's a little bit of northern lights. I don't know if you can see it. Area, let's go. Probably later will be brighter. Can you see it? There's northern lights there. Just a little bit. It'll probably be better later. We're mopping the floor. Oh yeah. Like northern lights. It's like yellow and green. Okay, bro, start driving. Beautiful. Oh, we're turning. Look at this. Beautiful. Guys, look at the beautiful sunset. Ugh, stinking windows dirty. Anyways, we'll go good. Look at the moon. Oh, you can't see it, but it's so pretty. We're heading to the high school. Oh, look at the beautiful sunset in the rear view. Yeah, let's go. Look at those. Y'all, so pretty. What a vibe. You can't see the moon, but it's so pretty. I don't know if you can see the sunset, but it's so pretty. We're putting this shit down. Oh, yummy. Slowly farming. We're gonna go claim more from the same boat. Yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so I just got done with work. It's 2 a.m. currently, but we're making some ice cream. I don't think that's doing anything, but it's gonna be, I put a little bit of eggnog, coffee, and milk, so we'll see how that turns out. But, and then I got some leftovers in the microwave. Can't see anything. Leftovers, spaghetti, moose meat, and some lettuce. Look at this. Beautiful leftovers container. Yes. Anyways, I'll show you the food when it's done. Alright, here it is. Yummy, 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 yummy. So, yes. Dinner time. Chops. Eating up the word like it's bananas. Almost there. Okay, guys, the ice cream is probably about done, so let's try it. Oh, my job. Okay. It's not very sweet. I like them. Anyways, let's go. Good night. Look at the beautiful sky. Yeah. Look at the waves. What a little bit of faith can do. We're chilling. What am I taking pictures of? This way? Super ready. Look at the moon. What is it? It's a little firework. He has escaped. Or maybe she put him on the ground. Eight more days.
Yay! 10 more days, 12 more days for me.
Look at the beautiful outside. Another day. Look at it, it's so pretty. Oh, can't see out that window. Never mind. Look at the plane. You gotta be my day, Mom. Yeah. Look at the plane right there. You can't see it, it's so far away.
The room is spinning.
Look, the northern lights are on. Wait, you can't see it. It's like very faint. Nice. Night is. This is our home. Hi. This is our kitchen. Fridge. Freezer. Did you open the door? Here's our beautiful room. For sure. I didn't see Julie's side. Beautiful. See my side. Yeah. And her beautiful table. Oh, look at the sunrise. Look at the moon over there. So pretty. another day. 3 more days to go home. Let's go. So pretty outside. That's why I drive so crazy. Guys, look at the beautiful sun. Whee! Nice. Let's go eat food. Clean the room. Let's go. Look at the beautiful sun. Look at the water. So pretty. Look at that. So pretty. Oh my gosh. So this is downtown Nome. We're dancing up right now because I pick up my sister from the airport. Let's go. Anyways, yeah, it's pretty. Okay, we're going to pick up my sister from the airport. Let's go. And look at the beautiful, beautiful. Look at this. Whee! We got the clan back. Let's go. Oh wait. Right guys? We're going to dad. You can't see anything with the reflection. Good to see you guys. Wait, 45 now. Oh. Yeah, Morgan!
She said, you know I just hot, but it's already broke. Told me everything she took is gold.
Oh my God.
Smoke on the stick up and nights, then she gon' be gone.
We're going to dad's house. That's Jake.
Somebody gave her too many oils.
Thanks, Samara. I love you very much. Although I'm not always around, I'm always here for you. Don't have much money yet. Thanks. Happy birthday. Oh, it's taped. It's inside. She's like, where?
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is outside. What? Wait, let me see. There are so many stars out. You can't see any of them. Ah, it's so cool. Oh, let me go behind the wall.
It's moving really fast, right?
You guys got some cool pictures.
Here's the first one. Look. Hello. Look. Look. That's the first one. Oh, we took these ones. Not the red lights. That's from my car. And this bright thing was moving fast across the sky.
He said we cut. Oh, hold on. Let me take you up right here. Sorry. He said you got the spiral. What?
Yeah, that's what that is.
Yeah. How you doing? What's up? A bunch of nothing. It's supposed to be a winter storm. Over the next few days, it's supposed to be a winter storm. Yeah, it's been very windy. My vlog. Yes, she is. Oh my gosh.
What's wrong? Did you fart?
Yo! Last day. Zoom in. Okay. Cool. Came up out of this joint.